Wearing a hijab in Iran became compulsory in 1981, but today, veiling could be seen less and less in the streets of Tehran. Since the death of Mahsa Amini more than 2 years ago, many women choose to take their hijabs off as a sign of protest. But a new, stricter law enforcing veiling is set to come into force.
I am free to choose how I dress. I will not conform to such laws. In other Muslim countries, women have the right to choose how they dress. We want to be free too.
Iran wanted to implement the bill on December 13th last year. It proposed heavy penalties, fines, and a ban on leaving the country aimed to crush the uprising of the Iranian women. But in the face of public anger, the Iranian authorities suspended the bill until further notice.
Faced with such restrictions, we are even more determined to assert our demands. In the past, they've imposed many constraints on us and threatened us with sanctions and frozen our bank accounts. But this shouldn't be irreversible.
The new law also extends the powers of those in charge of enforcing compulsory veiling. The militias would enjoy total impunity, even though some use violence to enforce Sharia law. Even those who do wear a hijab are skeptical.
Forcing women can only be counterproductive. If they want to solve the problem of the veil, we have to go back to the roots. We need to rethink our rhetoric and our programs, starting at nursery school. The hijab shouldn't be banned, but it shouldn't be imposed either.
For almost 2.5 years, Iranians have been resorting to civil disobedience in the face of an increasingly contested regime. Last November, as a sign of protest, a student stripped naked in the middle of Tehran.